just saying, first understand it. Let L be a line. Let L be a line and P be a point, not an L. Through a P, draw a line M parallel to L. So first we will do this part. So what I am taking a line L. Perfect. Any doubt? Then I'm taking the name L, where I should take a point P here. Then what I need to do? You need to attach this. You have to draw the line from this point L and connect to the line L, and give the name X. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sure? Confirm? Now, if they're asking you to draw a line, okay, so most important thing what I told you, take a compass, put it here, put a small distance, yeah, draw an arc like this. Same thing, take that compass here, make an arc like this. Done? First step number 1. Take a line L, then take a point P, not on L. We have to draw a line where M is parallel to L. Okay, मुझे एक ऐसा line बनाना है ऐसा. This M should be equal to L. First step done or not? Everyone show me. Just show me, everyone. Everyone show it to me. Read, Saksham.
Sir, please can you again do it?
Take a line L, take a point P anywhere, draw a line from there on the line and give that name X. Take a compass here first on the point X. Okay. Take a small size and draw an arc like this. Same, take that compass, put it on point P and draw like this. Done?
And sir, we have to take the same measure.
Yeah, same measure,
At
same
the
measure.
P point?
Don't, yeah, same measure. There, P on P and on X. Done? Now,
Sir.
put the compass here. आप compass का point यहाँ पे भी रख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे भी. Now, measure the distance. Measure the distance between the 2 points. देखो कैसे measure कर रहा हूँ मैं. Okay? Done? Now, if done, then put the point here. Okay. Now, just a minute, sir. I'm marking a, see, they have intersected on this point. Are you able to see the intersection point now? So what, you got a line M which is parallel to L, and these are the angles. If it is 60 degree, this will be also 60 degree. If it is 70, it will be 70 because of alternative angles. Till this part is done or not? Tell me.
Yes, done.
Sure. Any doubt?
Sir, done.
Whenever
Sir,
see,
no
whenever
doubt.
they're asking you to draw a parallel line, remember one arc here, one arc here. Measure the distance between those 2 points. Put it here, make an arc, draw a single line. Done? Now coming to the question, second part. Now point P to any point Q on L, choose any point R on M. Okay, choose any point R on M. Through R, draw a line parallel to PQ. Now, if you are, see, if I'm drawing a line, I got a line M here. Okay. Now he is asking you to take a point R. He is asking you to take a point R. Okay. Now join P to any point Q on L. He has said. join P to any point Q and L. So where I should take P? Tell me. यहाँ ले लूँ? Q? Any doubt? Any doubt to anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Now connect this point from P to Q. Done? Siddhant? Reet?
Yes, sir, done.
Just show me, everyone. Just show me. Take a point Q anywhere. You can take it. Everyone turn on your camera. Just show me on the screen. Devika, Advaita, Saksham, Joyna, turn on your cameras and just show me. Ipsha,
Can you please explain again?
which part?
Ma'am, sir, the all. Again.
Which one? Q part?
No, sir, the whole question. I didn't understand.
Who's this? Tawhid? Tawhid?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take a scale. Draw a single line. Okay? Tawhid? Now, they have asked you to take, this is the line L. This is line L. Take any point P. Okay, now connect this point with the line. Done? Understood till here, Tawhid? Tawhid, Azaz? Tawhid, understood or not? Tawhid?
Sir,
Yeah. Now take a compass, put it here. Okay. First mark, take the smaller size of that compass, mark a fixed distance and make a arc here. Similarly, put it here, mark it to arc like this, first and second. Then take that compass here again, measure the distance between the 2 points. After measuring, take that compass on this point. Okay, just wait. Now, after taking this, okay, and draw a line from there. This is known as which line? It was which line?
Sir, please do that
And-
arc one again.
Beta, yeah, this arc I have got it. Now same. See, you can take any distance, mark it like this. Done? Same on this part also. Done? Any doubt, Aditya?
No, sir.
Now measure the distance between these 2 points. यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे एक measure करो distance. Now same distance, put on this line now. यहाँ पे रखो. And इसको ऐसे mark करो. Like this. You'll get a line like this. Is there anyone who has not understood still now? Samiksha, Aditya, Naman, Dhruv, anyone who has not understood till now?
Understood.
Is my voice not coming?
Sir, your voice is coming, but it's slow.
no, sir.
It's okay. It may be coming slow. Okay. Now, what he has said, take up any point Q on the line, on the L. Okay, it was something X, Q. Now join that part, join that line. What was that? Done? Any doubt? Now,
No,
yes,
sir.
he has said,
Yes, sir, done.
yeah, he has said to take a point R on line M. If you see what it is written, through R, draw a line parallel to PQ. Okay, through R, draw a line parallel to PQ. Now, focus here. Focus here what I'm telling you. The most important thing, the last step is here. If it is done, the question is complete. Now, what I need to do, you need to prepare an arc. So how you will prepare an arc, I'll tell you. Take a compass, everyone. Everyone just take a compass.
Yes, sir.
Keep it on point Q, everyone. Have you kept?
Yes, sir.
इसका साइज नॉर्मल है, उसको लॉक करो एंड उसको आर्क बनाओ ऐसे. बन गया? Like this.
Yes, sir.
Now same thing, put it on R. Rotate and make a arc like this. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Keep it on this point and the other part should be there जहाँ पे वो टच कर रहा था लाइन को. See? देखा? उनका डिस्टेंस मेजर करो. यहाँ पे रखो, एक पॉइंट लाइन पे और एक पॉइंट जहाँ जहाँ वो प्रोसेस में कट कर था. यू नीड टू कीप इट देयर एंड मार्क इट. डन?
Yes, sir. Done.
नाउ डोंट कीप इट ऑन आर. जहाँ पे पहले टच करा था वहाँ पे रखो ऐसे. या okay, now cut it like this. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many of you have done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Sir. Done.
Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sure. Just show me on the screen. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Now, nothing you have to do.
You see my
Yeah. I'm just extending this line because हम लोग का थोड़ा line इधर आने वाला है. I'm extending this line now. Now, if you see this intersecting line, can you see this point? Say, put a scale on R. देखो इन दोनों के बीच में यहाँ पे जहाँ पे intersect कर रहा है वहाँ से एक straight line आ रही है. Is it visible to you now? I'm saying
Yes,
about
sir.
this point, this intersection point. Okay, now if you are able to see, now what they have said, you have to draw a line from point R so that it should be parallel to PQ. Is this line parallel to PQ?
Yes, it is parallel.
PQ. Now give any name like Y, N, Z, something like that, and put like this. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sure.
sir. Can you do once the arc of R?
Nothing. Take your compass, put it on point P. Okay. Then make a
So,
scale.
at this point, if we took an arc and made from the same size from the line L also, then we can
Yeah, yeah.
also make that arc
Yeah.
parallel.
Say make a arc from P and R. Both should be same. Same. Take your compass on this point, open it and measure the distance between these two intersecting points which are intersecting on that line. Same उसको लेके आओ यहाँ पे, but R पे नहीं, थोड़ा आगे रखो and make arc. Now you'll get a line like this, a point going from R like this. Why you got a point. Done? Any doubt?
No, sir. No doubt.
No, sir.
So you need to practice it. You need to practice it. You need to understand
So
the
there is a short way also for making the line parallel both.
Yeah, there is a short way also. But there are steps also. You need to write the steps also. Without writing the steps, it is not approved. Construction of triangles. Now, construction of triangles is very easy. Okay, we have seen about three sides, two sides and angle between them, two angles and side between them, the hypotenuse also. So how we have to draw this, I'll tell you in this part. Okay, now given that, see the first part, given construct a triangle ABC. First, in this part, you have to see, you have to make a rough figure like this. Means how he has shown the rough sketch on the right hand side of the paper. Means BC will be 6, AB will be 5 centimeter and base will be 7 centimeter. Done? So first step what they have done, they have drawn the base which is 6 centimeter. First step is complete, second step is complete, third step. Now keeping at point A is at a distance of 5 centimeter, so B with the center, जैसे लाइन है B, 5 सेंटीमीटर का मेजरमेंट करके हमें क्या करना है, एक कंपास लेते हुए एक ऐसा आर्क मारना है. फिर सी से भी जो डिस्टेंस था 7 सेंटीमीटर का आर्क मारना है ऐसे. तो दोनों पॉइंट को फिर ऐसे कनेक्ट करना है लाइक दिस. So I explained in a rough way. I'll tell you this. Wait, I'll just tell you like this. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone? It is
Yes,
very easy. Is it? It is really very easy. I'll tell you. See, so 10.2. How it came 10.2? It's 10.
Sir, 10.2. Sir, I have
Yeah.
done.
Come to question number 10.2. Exercise 10.2. It's very easy. Take pencil, everyone. Take pencil, sharpener, rubber, scale, protector.
Sir.
First of all, prepare a rough
Sir,
diagram.
we have to take protractor.
Yeah. First, prepare a rough diagram. कभी भी ट्राइंगल ऐसा रहता है तो ऊपर में कौन सा आएगा? इट विल बी एक्स, इट विल बी वाई, इट विल बी जेड. व्हाट इज द एक्स वाई? व्हाट इज एक्स वाई? टेल मी व्हाट इज द मेजरमेंट?
4.5.
What is
XY?
YZ? 5. What is
Five.
ZX? 6 centimeter. Done?
6
Any doubt?
centimeters. No, sir.
Okay. Now prepare. Take a line. What are the line? What are the base?
XZ 5 centimeter.
Take like this and till 5 centimeter. Done?
Yes, sir.
Now this is my Y and Z. Now write the name. What is the first step? That this is the, we draw a line YZ of 5 centimeter.
5 centimeter.
Now take a protector like this. Take a compass. उसने बोला था XY कितना है? XY
4.5.
5 centimeter.
XY 4 point. Keep it at 0. इसको measure करो. 4.5 देखो. 4.5 पे आया क्या? मैं देखो.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we have to take a line of 4.5 centimeter.
या पहले कंपास को मेजरमेंट करो. लाइन नहीं लेना है, कंपास लेना है. कंपास का मेजरमेंट करना है 4.5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके. फिर यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा आर्क मारो. कट एन आर्क, स्मॉल आर्क लाइक दिस. डन?
Yes, sir.
अगेन टेक अ लाइन एंड ZX कितना था? ZX, व्हाट वाज द ZX?
XZ 6 centimeter.
एडजस्ट द
XZ
कंपास.
6.
एडजस्ट द कंपास. व्हाट इट शुड बी 6 सेंटीमीटर. तो देखो 6 सेंटीमीटर आया क्या?
Yes, sir.
Put the compass here. Okay, mark a small arc. I'm marking a small arc like this. Okay, and थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा. Did I got the point? Intersection point.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now connect these points like this and like this. What is this point? X. This is
तो
this.
चेक करना होगा तो हमें लाइन स्केल से चेक करना होगा.
हाँ, नहीं चेक भी कर सकते हो आप, देख भी सकते हो. You can check it out.
सर आप फिर
Sir,
से
please
कर
can you
सकते
do
हैं?
it again?
हाँ, I'll do it. Don't worry.
Sir, we have to take the YZ of 5 centimeter.
या सबसे पहले टेक अ पेंसिल, ड्रॉ अ लाइन ऑफ 5 सेंटीमीटर.
5 centimeter X Z.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Take a scale here. Take a compass. ठीक है, कंपास मुझे बनाना था. एक लाइन है 4.5 सेंटीमीटर की. टेक अ कंपास एंड डू द मेजरमेंट ऑफ 4.5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, कीप इट देयर ऑन द पॉइंट y. It was what, y and z ना.
Yes, sir. Y and Z 5
एंड
centimeter.
x और z कितना था, दूसरी लाइन जो थी वो कितने
6
सेंटीमीटर की,
centimeter.
6 सेंटीमीटर की. कीप इट ऑन
6
0.
centimeter X Z
And
6 centimeter.
x centimeter. Whatever lines they are asking you, keep it there on the same point. Okay, put it there on the z. Done. Now draw a line. This is what, x. This is 4.5. This is 5
No, sir.
centimeter.
X Y 6 5 centimeter.
And this is 6 centimeter.
X
Okay,
Z
yeah.
5 centimeter, sir.
This is 4.5. And this is 5 centimeter. Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Is it easy? Tawhid, everyone has done or not?
Yes,
Tell me.
sir. It's so easy.
Yes, sir.
Naman, Shlok, Bhavik, show me. Breathe.
So can you see my?
Just show me.
Sir,
one.
done
Yeah,
with it.
Bhavik done. Siddhant done. Shlok done. Naman done. Saksham done. Sarthak also. Well, Saad, Aditya. Saad, okay. What about Sarthak? Okay. Rit, Ri.
So can you see mine?
Okay, yeah. Saklin, yeah. Ansh, okay. Tawhid, show me. Atharva, Bhavne, just show me what happened. Atharva. Devika, just show me. Advaita. Joina, Nutan. Ipsha.
Okay, this is
Ipsha, diagram. Rajiv Singh. Samiksha. Saklin Sheikh. Monish Roy. Manikarnika Raut.
Yes, sir, one
Harshit Raut.
minute.
Everyone, just show me.
Yes, sir, 1 minute.
sir. Can
Yeah.
So can you see mine?
Yeah.
Sir, mine.
So have you seen mine?
Sir, can you see mine?
Yeah. Done? Yeah, good, perfect. Yeah, Dhruv, I can see answer.
Sir, can you see mine?
Just wait. Samiksha. Yeah, Samiksha, it is visible now. Samiksha,
second.
Samiksha, show it again to me. Show it again to me. You're
Sir,
done. Don't
it's
mark me.
second one. She's done second one.
Samiksha, you're done. Yes, we written something wrong there. Now coming to the second question. Second question. Draw an equilateral triangle of side 5.5 centimeter. Now take a base of 5.5 centimeter.
EQR.
Okay. Light BC. Okay. Then scale.
4.5 and 55.
Yeah. Take a scale. Adjust the compass. It should be of 5.5 centimeter. Take it on point B like this. Put on another take compass. Put the marker point on C. Mark like this, and it should become like this. So without my help, can you do it?
Yes, sir. I have. Can you see?
Yeah, good. Can you do without my help? Is it possible for you?
So can you see?
Very good. Who's this? Siddhant. Very good, beta. Slok, very
I
good.
can see.
Now waiting for you. Dhruv, Saksham. What about Reet?
So can you see?
Perfect. Great.